A man asks, what are some essential oils for ED?
Essential oils are widely praised for their relaxing effects, and you may be surprised to hear that they can even help with erectile dysfunction. Whether you use the oils on a hot or cold compress, mix a few drops in a diffuser, or massage the oils onto your abdominals or low back area, there are many different essential oils that can help you connect with your partner and promote intimacy and arousal.
So you're saying essential oils really work?
While some essential oils have been found to treat depression, frigidity, and anxiety, oils like ylang ylang, rose, and lavender are also said to deliver euphoric properties. That's right, these oils can help bring about happiness and self-confidence that could aid in sensuality. Other essential oils like rosemary, lavender, basil, ginger, nutmeg tend to reduce stress, but they can also promote blood circulation and increase sperm motility. Essential oils can certainly help with ED. However, remember, it all begins with leading a healthy lifestyle. Remember to eat well, exercise often, and get plenty of rest.